And the other reason is because probably na-trauma na sila sa previous company events, sa previous team buildings nila,
Ay
right?
really? That
And
happens 'no?
mm, oo, may mga gano'ng mga nangyayari wherein ang team building nila kumbaga parang nauwi sa parang may nag-away, sobrang kalasingan or
Oh,
may mga ungodly activities na ginagawa sa team building. There's this one story that was shared to me. I think I was an OM for this program back then, and the story was about what happened during that team building event. Na isang team na yon, sa sales team na yon, right? Is may nagreklamo, I think dalawa or isa o dalawang agents na babae, nagreklamo na yung team building daw na iyon ay people are using drugs. People
oh,
yeah, people are having not just one or two couple ha, but people are having sex in the room, right? And it's like being openly done, right, during that team building. Right, and then those two people nag-escalate sa HR na ganito yung mga nangyari sa team building namin, right? And ang ginawa ng HR is nagpa-drug test agad-agad, and then madami
true.
na-terminate.